Hello and welcome to the Adorable Baby Cupcake Topper online tutorial. I'm demonstrating today using the FMM Adorable Baby Tappit. I'm going to demonstrate how you can make a cupcake topper now, and these are really easy to use. They're great for beginners because they're nice and simple, but they're also great for professionals. They're very good because they go right across all the different celebrations: baby naming, you've got christenings, baptisms, new baby showers, or even a young baby's birthday cake. First of all, I've cut out a top for my cupcake. Now ideally you would cut it out and you would leave it to dry so it's nice and firm, and I've made that using the bow and scallop cupcake cutter from the FMM range. I rolled out my modelling paste and I literally cut it out. So you would do that and you would leave it to dry, but for the purpose of the video we're going to use it how it is. I've also rolled out some pink modelling paste and some white modelling paste using a non-stick rolling pin. I've allowed it to dry off a little. This puts a nice dry edge on top and it will stop it from sticking in your cutter. So if we start with the pram, place the tappet on top of your modelling paste, apply pressure with your hand and slide it around the mat. Turn it over and lightly emboss with your fingers. You can see here where I didn't quite apply enough pressure just for the wheels. I'm going to do that again. Remove the excess, and if you get any stick in any of the other parts of the tappet, just pick it out and then you tap it. If you want to, you can also use a dry brush to push it through. It's entirely up to you. They're very nice and easy. We have our baby sitting in a pram, but the nice thing about these is that we can do the different pieces in different colours if we want to. So I'm actually just going to use the white, which I'm going to use for the wheels and the baby's head, just to show you how you can easily create a quick contrast to add some extra detail to your cupcake topper without making it too difficult. So I've just put the wheels on the fondant. Pop those out, and then the baby's head. Roll it round again, slide it around your mat, remove the excess. It's actually coming out really easy out of the cutter. So now we're going to attach it to the top of our cupcake topper. And I'm just using some water here. You can use edible glue if you want to, but you don't need to. So pop that on top, and then what you can do is, if you wanted to, you could just cut out the inner section of the wheel, or you can just place it on top completely, and then the baby's head. As you'll see on the one I made earlier, we've got some baby's eyes, and I used the Rainbow Dust edible pen just to pop 2 little dots on there. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos and check out my cake blog where you can find lots of free cake guides. www.fancycakesbylinda.co.uk. Bye!